Welcome to a new consumer goods review. Let's see if we can find any rares in this Destined Rivals Pokémon Blister pack. Let's begin. Destined Rivals. This is a brand new set, just released, so I'm really excited. Another back, look, we have Giovanni with Mewtwo. That's so cool. I like the design and the artwork of this set because they have a lot of artwork from the first 3 generations. The old school. The old school is back. Packaging, easy to open, so bonus points for that. So pack number 1, pack number 2, pack number 3, and we have a promo card for the people who play the mobile game. So here we go, enjoy. You gotta be fast to get it though. Subscribe to my channel to get it fastest. And here we have the promo card. Kangaskhan. I like this Pokemon. It's like a kangaroo. It has like baby inside the pouch. Very cool Pokemon. With Mega Punch. Nice. Let's put it here. And look at these artworks. Look, we have Ho with the trainer from Johto, 2nd generation. Then we have the classic Team Rocket. And Cynthia with, I don't know what this Pokemon is, but please leave a comment below because I forgot the name of this Pokemon. So which one should we start with? I think I'm gonna go with, let's go with the Team Rocket. Oh, I forgot, I didn't check how to do the card trick. Well, maybe we can figure it out somehow. So here is the code again for the people who play the game. Usually it's like this, so let's see if it works. Nice. So Energy, Pineko, Clamperl, okay. Ponyta, ooh, I like this artwork. Scraggy, Lurantis, Team Rocket's phone, mobile phone, okay. Weezing, nice. So we have a lot of Team Rocket cards here from the Team Rocket pack, that's good. And Tauros Reverse Holo. And the rare card is Team Rocket's Houndoom. Wow, is this card rare? It's full art. I think it is rare. What? We have 2 rares! What is this? Zapdos and Team Rocket's Houndoom. So do these sets always have 2 different rares? I don't know. But I like that we got Team Rocket card from the Team Rocket pack. That's so cool. And next we have Cynthia. Here we go. Get the code, my friend. Oi. Did I spoil it? I don't know. Energy. Purloin. Marie. I like this Pokemon from 2nd generation. It evolves into something like Ampharos or something. Thunder Punch. Oge Rapono. Okay, that's... Oh, we have Giovanni. Giovanni from the back. So does this mean we're gonna get Mewtwo now? I don't know. We're gonna find out. Arcanine. Rapidash. Reverse Holo. That's nice. Oh, I can see some glimmers on the back. Clamperl. 2 Reverse Holos. What is this? I don't know. Oh, look. It's shining. It has 2 stars. Ooh, Grimmsnarl. I don't know what this Pokemon is, but Grimmsnarl, Punk Up and with Shadow Bullet. Does it mean it's more rare because it has 2 stars? I don't know. Please leave a comment below. I'm not so expert with these Pokemons. I just opened them, okay? And now, we have my favorite design. Oh, I had this in Pokemon Silver when I played the game. And I was this trainer and I was owning up the Elite 4 with my epic skills. Let's see. Okay, so enjoy. And one from the back. Okay, so Energy. Swellow. Electrobus, ooh, from the 1st generation. This is a Giga Chat Pokemon. Roselia. Team Rocket's Porygon, so a lot of Team Rocket cards here. Milotic. Ooh, Leopard. Team Rocket's Venture, so many Team Rocket cards here. Deeplin, oh, what is this Pokemon? Never seen this before. And Reverse Holo, we have the most annoying Pokemon, Team Rocket Rattata. This goes along with Team Rocket Zubat very well. And what is there? What? We got another 2-star card. But what is it gonna be this time? Psychic, Upside Down Draw, and ooh, Rapska. I never seen this card either. What is this like? What generation of card is this? Rapska EX. Wait, we got 2 EXs. So I guess these are super rare. Then we got full art Team Rocket's Houndoom. And then we got, as a bonus, this Zapdos. I think this is the least of the rares. And then we got Kangaskhan promo. So what do you guys think? Was this pack worth it? These are the cards I got. And I guess these don't matter, this is a normal card. Yeah, leave a comment below if you think this was a rare or not. Thank you for watching this Pokemon card unboxing video. Make sure to like the video, subscribe, and also, as I said before, comment below if any of these cards are rare, because I don't know. I know more about the old school cards like the Charizard and Blastoise, but these new cards, I'm still learning, so comment below, and I will see you guys in the next epic Consumer Good Expert Review. Thanks for watching.